सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
On the occasion of 74th Independence Day on 15th of August, the Prime Minister addressed the nation. While doing so, he made an announcement about the launch of an Aadhaar-linked National Health ID. This Health ID will be for every Indian citizen. Here they can store all the information associated to their health like medical test report, disease history and the treatments they took. This announcement by the PM came at a time when the nation is battling with the pandemic coronavirus. In today's edition of our DNS, we will look in detail the National Health ID. While delivering the Independence Day speech, the Prime Minister of India launched the National Digital Health Mission. The National Health ID is a part of the campaign National Digital Health Mission. As per the Prime Minister, this National Digital Health Mission will bring a new revolution in the health sector in India. The National Digital Health Mission or NDHM will come under the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. This mission will help to improve the efficiency, effectiveness and transparency of health services in the country as said by the government. The National Health ID will be a repository of all health-related information of a particular person. As per the National Health Authority (NHA), every patient who wishes to have their health records available digitally must create a health ID. Each health ID will be linked to a health data consent manager, such as National Digital Health Mission, which will be used to seek the patient's consent and allow for seamless flow of health information from the person's health record module. The health ID is created by using a person's general details and mobile number or Aadhaar number. This will make it unique to the person, who will have the option to link all their health records to this ID. Every citizen who registers will get Aadhaar-like health ID. The scheme will map every citizen's health with the help of this ID. It will also be integrated with the provision to use telemedicine, e-pharmacy, etc. Now, let us look into the history of this National Health ID and how it came into existence. The National Digital Health Mission goes back to the National Health Policy 2017. It had proposed the creation of a digital health technology ecosystem in the country. It focused at developing an integrated health information system that serves the needs of all stakeholders and improves efficiency, transparency, and citizens' experience with linkage across public and private healthcare. Back in the year 2018, Niti Aayog, the central government's think tank, put forward a consultation of a digital backbone for India's health system, National Health Stack. All the data regarding the treatment, patient and the doctor consulted will be saved on a cloud-based data storage online. Within this, the data of the health service provider and the service receiver will be saved. A blueprint was released in the year 2019. This blueprint recommended setting up of the NDHM a government-run organization with complete functional autonomy on the lines of UIDAI and Goods and Services Network. The blueprint also suggested 2 building blocks: personal health identifier and health master directories and registries for handling the requirements of unique identification of persons, facilities, diseases and devices. As foretold, various health providers like as hospitals, laboratories, insurance companies, online pharmacies, telemedicine firms are expected to participate in the Health ID system. The strategy overview document points out that while option of digital health ID will be there, in case a person does not want health ID, then also the treatment should be allowed. It is totally for now a voluntary process and not a compulsory one. In its first phase now, the mission will be tried out in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Ladakh and Puducherry.